Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe. And if you're coming back, I want to thank you. Today I'm be doing a memory spread from the first week of February. I did Valentine's spreads all throughout the month of February just because I never really get to use them. I'm not like a huge Valentine's Day fan. However, I love me some pink and some red together, so I thought it'd be the perfect way to go ahead and use these kits. So this is a printable from Paper Crown Planner. I just love their kits. They're so pretty. They end up being like, if you get them on sale for like $2, and there's so many pages. But here is the bottom washi with this beautiful like wood grain, and then I used a another like, oh, I don't know where I got that from. I think I got that from Michael's actually. It's like little white hearts on the pink background. I thought the pink would fit the colors of the kit really well. And anyway, so I am still on the floral train. I love to put the florals above the date covers, the day covers, I guess. And to kind of mix it up, I decided to use a straight heart sort of red bling, and then also the one with kind of the heart swoosh, and I just kind of went back and forth with each one. And underneath it, I also put the let's see, I guess that's the floral washi, and I put the overlays that came with the Paper Crown planners that you can also go ahead and download, and I foiled it in red foil, which I thought was really quite pretty. Silver would look good, gold would look good, rose gold would look really good too, but I just wanted to do a fun foil for this week. So I went ahead and put down the, like I said, alternating, but florals I put on every day, of course. And of course, if you guys have any questions about where I got something, or if you just want to know anything, just let me know. Go ahead and put it in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to answer your question for you. So I think we're gonna go right into the sidebar. Why am I out of breath? This is crazy. I've been sick for like 3 weeks, and I don't know. It's been like going through each one of the cold symptoms instead of having them all at one time. I've just had like a sore throat for a few days, and a headache for a few days, and nausea for a few days. Like, I'd rather just have them all at one time, but I'm feeling much better now, so that's good. I love this tall box. I didn't have any tall box overlay, so I went ahead and put these cute little I guess they're like deco strips, but I thought that they were really pretty to kind of add some bling to it without having to put an entire overlay. And of course I had nothing to write in this box, and I just loved the way that garland hung, so I just went ahead and put it in the box. I don't really use my sidebar for anything that's really anything but decorative anyway. So I also started to just put down the boxes, and not in any particular form, just kind of scattering them around with the overlays that came with the Paper Crown Planner kit. And let me know, this is the first time using a new mic. Tell me if you can tell a difference. I've been using the mic on my phone, and while it's serves its purpose, I would really like to get some better sound. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this type of sound, if you like the way this sounds, if it's too up close, if it's too far away, if it's too loud, too soft, if you hear too much background noise or no noise. I really would love to know your feedback on what you think and what you like as far as this mic and voiceover is going. So far, to me, it sounds pretty good, but you never know. Okay, so we're coming upon, okay, here's what it looks like before the pen. I thought I would show you exactly what it looked like before the pen. And now we're going to the day by day. Monday, I guess I did a lot of cleaning, so I went ahead and put one of the flat lays from the kit down. I never use flat lays, but I thought that one was really cute, and I really like to pull them in more. But there was an awkward space with the line there, so I went ahead and put one of those heart dividers in there to cover it up, and a cute little kind of looks like that Ciate nail polish. I love those ones. And here I just took some of the florals from the kit and used that Get Groceries also came from the kit. I didn't really pull in very much from my stash. Everything was from the Paper Crown Planners download, the actual kit or the overlay part. I tried to use as many of the even the icons that came with it, so I wasn't pulling in too much. It's such a big kit, you can really never get through it all. So I'm going to lay down some more florals with this YouTube binge. I think all of my foil is red foil except for the February, which is in silver. I didn't have one in red, and that is from Plannerology Studios. I'm not sure where the YouTube binge is from. If you want to know, just comment below. I'd be glad to let you know. The little credit card is also from the kit. And I'm just going to slice up another piece of floral and stick it in the corner there because I love to take up any sort of space. That little bathtub, which is one of my favorites, is from Plan for Happy. It is also a printable that I foiled in red. And the kit had these little red and pink little hearts that I thought would be really cute to just kind of splash around the kit here and there. Oh, and these garlands. Oh, I love them so much. I love when they're pre-strung together because I have the hardest time getting them to look like that. So I did use them throughout the kit. Here I ended up using a little heart swish, but I do use those heart garlands again. Okay, now here I'm going to change this a few times because while I love these print and cut, these are also printable stickers from Mr. and Mrs. Mint, I believe. I just never know, to put them both together. So what I usually do is print and cut on the same day. I feel like it's always so crowded. So I usually end up moving them, around. If you guys have any better suggestions on how to use these, I'd really appreciate that because I love them and I want to use them. I'm just not really sure. Maybe I should use them as bullet points. Oh, see, I took it up again because I feel like it's too crowded. I try to move it there, but I don't like it. So I put it back down with just a little more space. Kind of wish I had put one of those little hearts above that print and cut there. Maybe I do. I'm not looking for my planner, so maybe I do. Okay, I put down another 3-bow checkbox, and below that I put a floral, and I have had to put some more, ink in my printer, and I do the HP ink where they deliver to you, when it gets low. And oh my gosh, I have saved so much money on ink. It is actually unbelievable. The deal is really great. And there's different tiers depending on how much ink and paper you use. And it rolls over and you don't have to go buy ink. It was like $70 every time I had to go buy ink. It was just getting crazy. So, hashtag not sponsored, just to let you know if you have an HP printer to try it out. It is a fantastic service. I couldn't quite understand it, but the more I read into it, and now that I have it, I get it. You really should try it if you use a lot of ink, especially if you're into planning and you do planner printables. And of course, I think you have to have an HP printer. I don't know if any other printer companies do it. Okay, where are we? So now I'm taking another piece of foil. I'm taking another, let's see, to get groceries. That's also from the kit. And I just layered it over some florals as I like the icon that came with the kit. So I put that in there. But of course, I want to foil it up a little bit. So I use these little corner pieces from the extra little side kit from the paper crown planners foiling. And of course I put some more of those little hearts down. And this is a little bottle I thought would look really cute to just, add some more zhuzh in that little half box. And I put a little declutter sticker on there. That's from Avalon and Night. Once again, this came in the foil kit, just to add a few little foil corners. I thought that might look kind of cute. And then moving on to Friday. What am I doing here on Friday? Oh, I forgot I have to put those little underwear on there. I think that is so cute because I was decluttering my drawer and I thought that would be a cute little thing to put up there. Okay, so Friday I started planning, and once again I put some floral behind my little planner and used my Plan for Cute printable that says Time to Plan in red foil. And then underneath of it I just used some more of the floral with another one of those nail polishes. I just love those nail polishes. They're by far my favorite nail polish icons. And then I'm going to put my daily movie or TV tracker, whatever I happen to be watching that day. And I cut out another piece of floral. I like to lay the floral in between the pieces so it looks like it's coming in and out instead of either just laying on top or underneath. It gives it some dimension. It's a little harder to lay down, but I think it looks really nice. And these are some really cute little Instagram. I think I got those from Fluffy Angel Stationery, and I never use them because they're so cute, but I am refusing to hoard my stickers anymore, so I'm going to use them. So that was for an Instagram reel. I also did some work on YouTube and Instagram, so I put that up there with a cute little camera from White Deer Stationery, and of course another one of those little hearts in red foil. Down at the bottom of the page I put one of those what is it, my daily whatever I was watching. And then to fill up some space up top, I used one of those little red heart dividers and another 3 boat checklist. And then above that, some washi and a little girl from, as a printable also from Teddy Plans. She's going grocery shopping. And of course, I have to put a little more bling in there, so I put a little red heart swish in there. And then below that, I put in there once again the camera between the two pieces of floral to show that I was working. Obviously on Instagram or YouTube, something to do with social media. And then coming up on Friday, I used my Coffee Monsters code on the phone to show that I had called my mom this day. And I tried to call her as often as I can. And I love those little emojis. They're so cute. And then once again, I did the same thing with the book and the Time to Plan. And here we go with these garlands again. Look how pretty this is. And it's all put together for you. It's just, oh, I love that. That's just so pretty. I guess I decided to move this up a little farther so I had some more things to mark in here. So I went ahead and put in, I think, a third box and cut up some more florals, put them in there. This time I decided to lay it on top of it like that look also. And what did I mark here? I guess I marked nothing. I was just taking him some space and I put that in there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I will definitely be randomly giving away the extras from these kits because I have so much of it. Anything really, really helps. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, bye.